Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Permacraft Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. Permacraft Furniture Manufacturing Company Permacraft was a subsidiary of the Sanford Furniture Company, which operated in North Carolina in the mid-20th century. The Permacraft furniture firm was well known for their premium furniture, which was frequently crafted from cherry wood, a material considered to be a hallmark of mid-century Southern designs. A brief history of Permacraft Furniture Company. The Permacraft Furniture Company was founded in response to the parent company's recent success, the Sanford Furniture Company. The purpose of establishing the Permacraft Furniture Corporation was to establish a prestigious subsidiary through which the company could sell higher-end furniture at a premium price and, more crucially, attract a more discerning customer than the normal Sanford Furniture Company catalog. The history of the Permacraft Furniture Company. The Permacraft Furniture Company was created in 1942, when the company's trademark was registered. Dresses, chests of drawers, beds, chests on chests, vanities, nightstands, and bachelor's chests were all included in the Permacraft Furniture Company's catalog. The firm became well known for its use of cherry and maple woods, which were both quite popular in the mid-20th century South. Along with its use of these premium hardwoods, the company established a reputation for its exquisite appearance and lasting craftsmanship, which set it apart from the competitors during this era. Sanford Furniture Company's special prestige brand allowed them to cater to a different type of audience than they could with their standard furniture. Naturally, the Permacraft Furniture Company's reputation for superior quality and finer materials earned it a high-class designation. Throughout the 1950s and 1960s, one particular design of Permacraft furniture gained considerable popularity: French Provincial Permacraft furniture. Serpentine-fronted drawers, ornate brass hardware, and curving legs and feet were all hallmarks of the European-influenced style. French Provence Permacraft. Permacraft, like Drexel, White, and Thomasville, became well known in the 1950s and 1960s for its high-quality French provincial furniture. For the next few decades, the company continued to manufacture furniture. However, as consumers gravitated toward alternative styles, and darker models with cherry wood fell out of favor, the company's revenues declined and it formally dissolved in 1992. Products of the Permacraft Furniture Company. Over the course of several decades, the Permacraft Furniture Company developed a catalog filled with numerous popular goods. Vanities, chests of drawers, and the company's line of dresses and beds were among the most commonly produced components. Certain things, such as the bachelor's chest, lost popularity over time, since they were no longer deemed socially acceptable. Almost all of the company's items were crafted from cherry wood or, less frequently, maple wood. Naturally, cherry wood has long been regarded as a superior timber for furniture construction. However, as manufacturers began manufacturing furniture in other countries using newly grown mahogany and other materials, cherry became scarce. However, cherry wood has regained favor in recent years, resulting in a renaissance in vintage furniture from predominantly Southern manufacturers who used this material. Suggestions for purchasing Permacraft furniture. If you're seeking vintage pieces from this brand, you should be aware that as the company's popularity has grown in recent years, the price of used pieces has increased as well. Obviously, the easiest way to locate old goods from this company is to search online, or through an antiques dealer that specializes in specific brands. Always search for the maker's mark of the brand, as well as the piece's general design and condition. The company's early pieces will have a classical mid-century style. Later pieces will likely have a less classical style, but will likely still be made of solid cherry wood. Nowadays, many individuals prefer to purchase old furniture such as Permacraft over new furniture. Additionally, many individuals have determined that historical furniture may be restored and restyled to conform to contemporary trends. Indeed, believe it or not, many people have chosen to paint Permacraft furniture in recent years. While this is not the classic style I prefer, many individuals have painted Permacraft solid wood desks, dresses, and buffets in vibrant colors. Indeed, if you're going to paint, why not begin with such substantial and well-crafted furniture? Naturally, this ensures the piece's longevity for future generations. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.